Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show how to make burgers with ground beef on grill. Start by choosing 80/20 ground beef and gently form patties about 4 to 6 ounces each. Press a shallow dimple in the center of each patty to prevent doming. Season simply with salt and pepper just before grilling. Keep patties cold until they hit the hot grill to maintain texture and avoid overworking the meat. Preheat the grill to medium-high and oil the grates to prevent sticking and tearing. Place patties on hot grill, hear the sizzle, and resist flipping too soon. Flip each patty once when a brown crust releases easily, usually after 3 to 5 minutes per side, depending on thickness. Use a thermometer for accuracy, aiming for your target doneness, then rest patties briefly to redistribute the juices before assembling. Toast buns lightly on the grill for a minute or two for a crisp surface that holds up to toppings. Melt cheese on patties during the last minute of cooking by closing the lid or adding a small foil tent. Build burgers with condiments on the bottom bun, fresh vegetables on the patty, and sauces on top to keep everything balanced. Rest each assembled burger for a moment before serving to let flavors settle.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.